Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. Today in this video, let's try to understand planet Sun placement in the sign of Pisces. So what will happen when planet Sun, that hot burning red planet, directly goes in the contact of the water? What are the kind of positive and negative impact this placement is going to provide you in your life? I'm going to explain you everything in detail in this video. See, if I talk about planet Sun in astrology, planet Sun represents your soul, your Atman, the purity of your soul. Sun represents your father, the relationship with your father, the kind of authority and power which you are going to get in this 21st century. It is also seen from Sun. Sun represents all the government officials, all the politicians that are governing the whole nation, entire country, even all the chief level people. They are controlling all the top positions in any organization. CEOs, CEOs, like vice president, general managers, they are all are governed under planet Sun. Sun also represents the ego present inside you, your health and vitality. So Sun represents many things. And on the other hand, the sign of Pisces, which is a very deep water sign, very deep. Like such kind of a deep and intense emotions are present inside in the sign of Pisces. Also, these people opinion matters a lot because they have that kind of a inner ability to think about that inner side of the areas, or how that thing is going to impact. If I am taking this decision, what is the impact? That far-sightedness, that level of imagination, it is seen in the sign of Pisces. So whenever like Sun combines with the sign of Pisces, first of all, here the hot burning planet directly goes into the contact with the watery element, so the ego of the person is getting down, and at some point in their life they tend to lose their whole ego and they become selfless, and they believe in providing the selfless service towards the betterment of the mankind, or towards the betterment of this whole universe. So they are having that kind of a positive mindset inside them. No matter like how many failures I have accomplished in my life, or what is going to happen in my life, I will always follow the path of spirituality and dharma in my life. So that is the major inclination in their life. Also, as I told you, Sun represents all the Vedantic knowledge regarding astrology, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Anthar Veda. So these people, whenever they are going through the transit of the Sun, or Sun Antardasha, Mahadasha, or any Paryantar Dasha, these people, they find inclination towards that areas of the life, towards learning the old knowledge, any knowledge regarding the Vedanta, spirituality, astrology. Even like if they went into the field of astrology, the predictions given by the any male or female person who is having this placement, it will blow your mind, because that level of imagination and far-sightedness, it is seen with the sign of Pisces. Originally, if you look at that 12th house, it is the house of your expenditure and losses as well. So some kinds of energy loss, that is also seen whenever Sun comes in the sign of Pisces. Or you can also call it as a lack of self-confidence. Even though they are very capable, have very high level of far-sightedness, very good imagination ability, but still from the inside, from the deep within, they will feel like, no, I'm not very confident about this thing, or I'm not very knowledgeable. And that is their humble nature. That kind of a kindness is present inside them. Also, I will tell you, if they go into the relationship, or especially like in a marriage like situation, or if they go in relationship with the opposite sex. So first of all, these people tend to determine the every aspect of their life. Like, why are they dressing the way they are? Why are they looking the way they are? Because in that sign, Sun become more and more judgmental. Here, although Sun loses its whole energy to control the mass population, but still the authority from the inside is present inside them. So they always try to be very judgmental around the people, especially in their love life. Very judgmental. Like, why are you dating me? Why are you doing this thing to me? So that judgmental mind is present inside there. Also, career-wise, Sun in the sign of Pisces, it is a very good placement if you want to go in the field of especially writing, in the field of especially research and development. Research related to the any field, or like any areas of the life. because sun here try to deep dig, because it is the sign originally governed by planet Jupiter. So sun always try to find the knowledge that is present inside the sign of ego, and in that process they have to set their ego aside in order to acquire the more and more knowledge, because Pisces represents that kind of a, it is that knowledge which is far beyond any person imagination. It is a limitless knowledge, limitless. So although like these people, they at the initial stages they are more egoistic kind of a personality, but after the sun maturity, after 21 or 22, these people set their ego aside and they will completely bent into the research kind of a field, doing, gaining more and more knowledge in their life, and they value knowledge a lot rather than any other materialistic thing or any other thing in their life. Also, this placement is not very good for your health and vitality, because here like sun represents your health and vitality. It is directly going in the watery element. So these people especially suffer a lot because of their bad stomach, especially indigestion of food, constipation, and these kind of problems are usually seen with this placement of sun in your chart. Also, if I talk about regarding your father is going to be very very knowledgeable, or your father have set that kind of a foundational value in your life, or maybe in the some kind of government field or some government activity your father is involved in. So he's act as a that kind of a provider of things, like your father sets the complete foundational value in your life, like you don't have to do anything till your last breath. So that kind of a play things are also seen with this placement, because here the father have to do lot of hard work. If you are having this placement, it means your father have to do lot of hard work in his life, like complete life till the age of 80 and 90 years old. He have to do lot of hard work and struggle so that you can enjoy in your life, and that is not a bad thing if you are having this placement and if your father is doing hard work, because it is your father karmas to fulfill your every aspect of life. I have seen many individuals chart who are having sun placement in the sign of Pisces. They belong to a very very rich fatherly background, or their father is having that kind of a control over the mass population, or that kind of a money and wealth, that accumulated fortune is accumulated by their father, and their father will not enjoy all the money and monetary gains, so that their upbringings, that is you are going to enjoy the every benefit of the sun in the sign of Pisces. Also, I will tell you one more thing. Here the person tend to fall in the bad habits of the, especially the sexual activities as well, like overindulgence in sexual behavior or that kind of a situations are also created with this placement, especially if sun is posited in your 12th house or in your 8th house. Then it will give inclination towards going towards the like that industry as well. So please like keep this thing in mind as well. If you are having this placement, try to avoid any kind of a bad habit or stay away from the bad society in order to prosper towards the betterment of your life. So that is the analysis of regarding sun placement in the sign of Pisces. If you have any queries regarding your sun placement, or if you want to ask me any question regarding your career, marriage, please shoot me an email, guys. I will respond you back within next 48 hours after receiving your email. Till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it below, and make sure to please share my channel with your all family members. Every person who is in love with astrology. I will meet you very very soon. Bye bye.